Hello?
Hey guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing Roblox again. I played some other videos on Roblox. You can go check those out. But today we're gonna be playing Mad City. What?
What? Can it be in any YouTube?
What?
Can it be in any YouTube? Like, so I can see your video? Can it be in any?
It should. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be playing Mad City. Or Mad City, I don't know. But yeah, my friend's already playing, so yeah, we're gonna play.
Is Ollie playing?
No, okay. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be playing, and the server's full. I need to wait. But yeah, we're gonna be playing Mad City. We're gonna probably get some guns, maybe a superpower. I don't know.
Not a superpower until anyone killed me. I got one, and then he got his superpower again. I'm on 5 health, and just, like.
Well, yeah, we're gonna try and get superpower. We're gonna escape the prison and everything. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And once we do it, well, yeah, we're gonna have superpower. We can fly around. I don't know what we'll do.
Double B boy. I'm your double B friend. Okay, I just robbed the music store. Now I'm gonna go head back to the criminal case. Wait, do you wanna be like? Do you not wanna be a robber anymore, or do you?
We're gonna be robbers.
I know, I like to be robbers.
But I'm not in the game yet.
Okay, then join the game.
I am, but the server's full.
Okay, do you want to join yours?
Yeah, sure.
First, let me sell. Okay.
You join me once you do that. So yeah, I'm getting in my own server.
How many commas? Dude, how many commas do you have in your money? Like, do you have
I don't know.
Tell me when you join.
I'm in.
Me too. How much commas do you have now?
It actually doesn't show any commas, but I should have 1 comma.
Why? Why didn't you?
I don't know.
Dude, Piggyman, I've seen you. Piggyman 455.
Oh, hey, dude.
Hey, dude, have you found anything?
Nothing to escape.
And Madeline, like, talking to me on the phone too. So that's why I had to tell you. I need to call you back because Mel with me. We were playing like Royal High. I'm a prince and she's a princess. We're playing Royal High. Hey boy, got anything?
Hey, boy, I don't have anything, boy.
Boy, I just found a way out.
Boy, I have a knife, boy.
What?
Boy, I have a knife. See this knife here?
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Jeez, come here. Come here, jeez. Follow me for your rest of the life.
Wait, I'm gonna get something from the trash can.
Wait, someone killed me. What happened? Oh.
Do you have a hammer?
What? Where are you?
Do you have a hammer?
Yes. Why?
The hammer can be used to escape.
No, it can't.
Yes, it can. Show me your hammer.
Let's go up the rope, boy.
Show me your hammer.
No, I'm doing my rope. Come on. Come on, please.
I'm gonna do my rope. I had the rope the whole time.
What?
I had the rope the whole time, by the way.
Oh, man.
Okay, dude.
You see this glass here?
Yeah.
Could you spawn anything off this roof?
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, boy, get out of here.
Yeah, boy, I'm the Maverick. Why you feel it hurt?
Okay, go in my airplane. Or, yeah, my airplane.
Why don't you use the one with missiles?
Dude, you know there's a thing called, did I do?
Huh? What? I wasn't listening. I was doing the video.
So, there's a thing called tricking. What did I do? So, yeah.
Why do you like your best friend? Explain.
Let's see. I don't know actually.
Well, then don't do it.
Do not jump off. I'll tell you when to jump
Let's
off.
get some guns, man.
Hold on, I need to see if I can buy it. Okay, jump off.
Do you have 2 commas?
I bought it. I bought it. I bought it.
You bought the wrong one.
I know. Still, I bought this one. Come on. Fly out of here.
How much did that cost?
300.
Okay. Wait.
More the. What, Mom? Right now? Bye. Yes, my mom does. I need to go. Bye.
Bye.
I know I just called you. I just started. Bye. Call me back.
Bye. That was a close one, guys. Okay. Now, let's go to where I was going to go. Let's see what I have. I don't have any vehicles that could really be used here. Oh wait, now I do. Okay, so if you didn't know how Med City works, you can be a criminal, superhero, or a police. Police do what police do, they arrest unbehaving people. Then there's superheroes that kill criminals, and criminals you rob things. Oh gosh, I took a wrong turn. I'm supposed to turn here. And then I'll be on the right track. Here I am. This is the place I wanted to be. This costs 400 Robux, but I have it, guys. Guys. That's awesome. And with that 400 Robux, I can go this right there. RPG is better. So now we have an RPG. Superhero's base is over here, sort of. There's an entrance there, but you need superhero to open it. So I like it different. What is it you might be asking? It's this one. So around the mountain, but I'm gonna have to end this video soon, so if I randomly cut out and the video ends, I only have certain recording time. yeah, it randomly cuts out in my other videos because I didn't notice the recording time stopped. So if it cuts out in this video, the recording time stopped. So I only have like 5 more minutes. Let's try and get there quick. These things can't be backed up. Okay. Here's the entrance to the superhero base. And then this. Now we're in. And if they drop a crystal, that means you can take the crystal and grab their superpowers. That one didn't, though. The crystals are different colors depending on the superhero. That's a good superhero. No! Well, that was bad. Oh gosh, I have to start back at the prison. But yeah, they can drop crystals. You know what? For the last couple of minutes, I just wanted to show you some of the different powers. Okay. So there's this green power here. It makes gas and then shoots lightning. It's very powerful. Then there's the Flash. Super fast. And there's Inferno. And another cool thing about superheroes, every single superhero except the Flash can fly. Hold your power, then jump twice, and then release and you fly, but won't work as Flash. Then, so yeah, there's this one. Then there's this one. I personally like this one. But my favorite is this. Voltron. That's my personal favorite. I think that's a really good one. Then there's also the Frost one. Frostbite. It's not too good. I would say this one and this one are probably the best ones. Like, I do like this one also because it can run on water, as you can see. So yeah, that's cool. But yeah, that's where I came in from, over this water. I came in from over here. But where superheroes go in and out, that is from all the way over here. This is a quick way. Only superheroes can open the door, though. That's why I didn't go in that way, because I can't. So guys, I'll have to end the video here. Just remember, stay purple, stay right, and be on the right side of life. Bye!